Alright, what is this week? I'm unboxing the Blastoise X Red and Blue collection of Pokemon 20 anniversary. You can see. And I'm using the light since it's dark a lot faster these days. Let me unbox it. I don't know if you guys catch that cold or what. I use a little tiny poster. The giveaway they're doing for those games. I'm gonna give away most of these Pokemons already. And of course, there's one here. And for this, looks like all I need is Venusaur and Charizard, and a complete bass set. But not this one, since it's don't take all of them. Oh. Let's look at the figure first. A little more lights. Alright. Figures Blastoise shooting water. Pretty cool. The Pikachu one had, then you got a puff of electricity around. This one has water everywhere. They're flexible. Gotta be careful not to break them right here. This one. The heck? This one looks like it broke and blast off. That'd be the mega evolution of this one. Well, it still looks pretty cool. The mouth, the huge ass tongue right there. Alright. Let's look at the main card. Ah, man, looks like I gotta bend the one. I gotta sort of double check. Might have to re-get this one somehow. You can see right here, messed up. Blastoise EX, Rapid Spin, and Splash Bomb. Right? Pikachu is the only one I don't know rip. So he's the only one I'm gonna cut since I still need a lot of this. So it was 3-minute back like that. If I'm right, see what we got. We got a Raichu. I think that's good. Ah, crap, I gotta find a better angle. That's what I have to do for now. Pokemon Center, Pokemon Fan Club, Energy Card, Magic Card, and a Reverse Hollow Hitmonchan, and the rare card is. Wait, it's not the rare card. Rare. Rare card is. That was my phone. Oh well. A Butterfree. Nice. But not the rarest. Correct. I don't think I have recorded this correctly. Alright. Let me check my video. Okay, apparently I recorded. Hopefully my camera's not breaking. But to review really quick, you see all this? Pretty nice. You saw this? There was a little messed up right here. Pretty nice. And you saw these cards, but if it was a rare one. Okay, let's go to the next one. Battery's dying. That's the issue. I'm going to take care of the battery first. Alright, I have it connected so you can, charge the battery while I'm still recording. Oh, it's a little cricket. Already gotta get a better camera. Alright, let's see what we got on this booster pack. We got a, well, nothing special. Ooh, double energy card. Nice. Regular energy, Meow, Magmar, Pikachu, Gengar, Burst Hollow Gengar, and rare card. It's not regular. Nothing really rare. Right. Last time I got the same thing, not much rare cards. This is a shame. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, another double energy card. A lot of these. Battery energy. Burst Doodle. Ah, finally an EX. Nice. And a regular Snorlax. That's a regular card. Alright. There we go. Sorry if you hear neighbors over there. Although this camera breaking, I doubt you guys are able to hear that. Well, definitely over the one that come out. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Right. And not. Ooh. I think right. Let's see. Dry melt, damn it. Energy card. Right. Burst Soda card, and oh, I don't have this one. Garnet EX. Oh, and a Butterfree again. Alright, so these are the 3 rarest ones we got. Oh, EX, nice. I guess I will pick one of our favorite out of the 3s. It has all 3 evolutions in the picture, pretty cool. Nice. I would like it when they're darken around the corners and the picture goes over. I like the other ones. Alright. There we go. This week is pretty short, as you can see. Not much of a card opening. I wanted to open 2 of these together, but I couldn't get another one in a short time. Alright. I guess I'll see you guys next week, and if you want to see more of these videos, subscribe. And I guess I'll see you guys next week. Not much I can say right there. Alright, bye.